Namaste. You can start by getting the body completely comfortable, laying on the earth, finding a comfortable position for the legs, the hips, the arms, shoulders, the neck and the head. Could you get the body 5% more comfortable? Closing down the eyes. Begin by softening the jaw, noticing the breath, feeling sensations inside the mouth, the tongue softening, relaxing all the way down to the roots of the tongue, feeling the teeth and the gums inside the mouth, sensing the flow of air inside the nose, aromas and sensation, welcoming sensations of the cheekbones, relaxing the eyes and all of the tissues behind the eyes, the temples, the eyelids, allowing the eyes to become heavy. Awareness migrating into the forehead, softening the tissues of the forehead and feeling the sensations here. The touch of air on the skin. Awareness traveling into the scalp and hair like a wave of sensation, tingling, aliveness, feeling the weight of the head and the skull, and noticing the ears, the inner ears, and the folds of the ears, and welcoming all of the sounds as the ears listen. Sounds washing through, arising and dissolving in this wakeful, spacious presence. Sensing the body breathing itself. Nothing to do but relax into the simplicity of being breathed, bringing awareness to the heart and sensing the breath touch the heart like a gentle massage, sensing the volume and the space that exists inside the lungs, shifting as you breathe. Welcoming the right shoulder, deep inside the right shoulder joint, alive with radiant sensation, warmth, tingling, already happening sensations inside the right shoulder. Moving awareness through the body like a full body massage for the nervous system. Noticing the upper arm, the elbow, the right forearm, radiant, shimmering with sensation. The wrist, the palm of the hand, the back of the hand, the thumb, first finger, second, third, pinky finger, all 5 fingers on the right hand, full of radiance and sensation. The whole palm of the hand from the inside out. Right fingers, hand, arm, and shoulder together simultaneously. Feeling the volume, space, and density inside of the right arm. Trillions of cells vibrating, buzzing with aliveness. Giving time for awareness to transition from the right arm into the left shoulder. Sensing the shoulder joint itself, the warmth and circulation present within the shoulder joint. Rotating attention, sensing the upper arm, the elbow, the forearm, the wrist, palm of the left hand, back of the hand, thumb, first finger, second, third, pinky finger, all 5 fingers, palm and back of the hand, feeling the left hand from the inside out. Awareness filling the left hand, arm, and shoulder, sensing the volume, the shape, the space, and the density inside the entire left arm. Feel the left arm shimmering with sensation, buzzing with aliveness. Trillions of cells. Giving time for attention to equally divide itself between the right arm and the left arm. Both hemispheres, both sides, left and right, alive and radiant with sensation. Bringing that awareness back to the center, the belly, sensing the rise and fall of the belly like a baby sleeping, expanding, emptying, the body breathing itself naturally, bringing awareness now to the pelvic bowl deep inside, sensing the right hip, the thigh, the knee, front and back, the calf and the shin, the ankle, the heel of the foot, sole of the right foot, top of the foot, big toe, second toe, third, fourth, pinky toe, all 5 toes together. Giving time for awareness to migrate to the left hip, the thigh, knee, front and back, calf, shin, ankle, sole of the left foot, top of the foot, big toe, second, third, fourth, pinky toe, all 5 toes together. Welcoming both legs, feet, and toes. Attention dividing equally between both legs, alive and radiant with sensation. Welcoming both hemispheres of the body, right hemisphere and left, front and back of the body, inside and surface, the whole body together, taking in the whole body. The whole body, trillions of cells breathing together, inhaling and exhaling. Taking a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. And again, a deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. One more time, in through the nose, out through the mouth. So you might start to wiggle the fingers and the toes, or you might continue to lay here for as long as you need to. You might take another deep breath or 2 as you wake the body up. Thank you for practicing Yoga Nidra with me today. If you'd like more Yoga Nidras from me, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and go to allyboothroyd.com for my best free downloads. May you be peaceful. Namaste.